Yes, already normal subtraction you have done, and borrowing subtraction also done, but for 2-digit number, right? And normal subtraction has been done for 3-digit number, right? So today we will do borrowing subtraction, but not for 2-digit number, for 3-digit number, okay? Borrowing subtraction for 3-digit number, okay? Now all of you already taken out your copies? Okay, take the pencil also. Now let me share the screen. Achha, I think all of you are able to see the screen. Yes. Achha. At first, give today's date and give the heading borrowing subtraction. First, give today's date, okay, and give the heading that borrowing subtraction, okay. Today's date 8th of July. Write also CW, okay, and give heading borrowing subtraction. Basically, you have already done borrowing subtraction, but that was for 2-digit number, right? It will be borrowing subtraction for 3-digit number, okay? Borrowing subtraction, TION, huh? In bracket, write for 3-digit number. Just wait a minute, let me write 3 properly. 3-digit number. Acha, NO dot means number, huh? Already I told. NO dot means number. Okay. Have you given the heading? This one will be the heading. Okay. Borrowing subtraction in bracket 3-digit number. All of you given? Just let me check. Shuprit, Lamia, Atrika. Okay. Just shake your head. Acha, okay. Good. Acha, no. Okay, I'm waiting. Do it. Acha, no need to write this right now. Huh? I'll make you understand this one. Just give this heading and date. Okay, now let me clear the screen. Okay, now let me make you understand. You have given that heading to borrowing subtraction. Now let me make you understand. Okay, look, the number was 942. Now no need to write. Don't write. Okay, mat likho. Do not write. Okay, first try to understand. Okay, pehle samjho. Look, the question is given 942, then it is given 563. It is a 3-digit number. We have to do the subtraction. It is ones place, it is tens place, it is 100 place. Right? Now, how to do this? Look at this. Basically, this is 2 less number, and this one 3 greater 1. So we cannot subtract a greater number from a lesser number. Yes. So the first and foremost thing is we have to make this smaller number greater. We have to make this small number big. So we have to borrow 1 from this 4. So it will become 12. Yes. And this 4, as we have borrowed 1 from this 4, we have taken away. So this 4 will become 3. Yes, so up to this clear? Shake your head. Okay, good. Acha. Now 3, this will become 3. Now just do this subtraction. This one. Look, we have to count after 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 9 places. So it will be 9. Okay. Now ones place already done. No need to write. Try to understand this. Huh? Now then tens place. Look at this. Acha, tens place here it is also look 3 and it is 6. Na? 4 is not there. Okay, right now we have already cut this 4. This 4 already becomes this 3. So Again, look, 3 is the smaller number and 6 is greater. So again, we have to make this 3 a greater number. Yes or no? Yes, yes. So it will become 13. Yes, so we will borrow 1 from this 9. Then this 9 will become 8. The same process actually we are following, na? The same process we are following, exactly. So this 9 will become 8. Now look, after 6, start counting till 13. Okay? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This will be 7 place. Now it is very much easy. After 5, start counting till 8. Okay? 6, 7, 8. Okay? This will be 3 place. So the answer is 379. Okay, now I am clearing the screen. I think all of you have understood, so just shake your head. Ah, good. Ankon Jana, what happened? Not understood? Acha. Aratrika understood to? Mohammad Tarsid, Sanvi, Shuhana. Okay. Sholanki, Anurag, all of you to just shake your speaker. Pai Muhammad. Yes, keep your camera on. Acha, now just write down this one, this question. I think now it is clear. Okay, written. Look, the same thing already done. This was 2, we have to make it 12. Okay, then normal subtraction. It has become 9. Then as we have borrowed 1 to make it 12, so this 4 will be becoming 3. Now 3 is also less than this 6. So we have to make it large. It will be 13. Already 13 we have got. To make it 13, basically we have to borrow again 1 from this 9. Yes, basically we are borrowing 100. Here is 900, na? We are borrowing 100. But yesterday I explained about this. Basically we are borrowing 1/10. But no need to remember that one. Okay, for shortcut process, just always remember borrow 1. Okay, in this way. Okay, now just write down this. Okay, write down this. Completed. Acha. Now let me move for the next question. Basically for page number 54. In your book, it is in page number 54. Today I'll solve. Huh? But remember, not in book. Today all the sums will be in copy. Okay. आज exercise book में all the sums you have to do. Huh? Not in book. Okay. Now let me move for the next one. Look at this. Already I have written the page number. Look at this. Page number 55. It is already written over there. Okay. Look. Number 1, 2. Actually, I have solved here all the questions which are in page number 55. Okay. But not in book. So you will not do in book. Okay. Is it clear? Boye korbe na. Book mein mat karo. Okay. I have already told you in Bengali, Hindi and English. Don't do any mistake. Acha. Now just look at this. For this 4 question at first. For this 2, 1, 2 and 3. Look at this. Acha, if the screen is hazy, okay, or you can't see it properly, then just zoom in or zoom out accordingly. Okay. First question is given over there. Look, it is given 628 and this is 19, right? So let me explain. This is 8 less than 9. So we have to make it large. So how to make this 8 large? It will be 18 by borrowing 1 from this 2 tens. 1 10 we have to borrow. Basically 1 it will become 18. Okay. Now this 8 already becoming 18. So after 9 we will count till 18. After 9. Okay. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 9 places. So look, I have put here 9. Is it clear? Now, look, as we have borrowed 1 from these 2, so these 2 will becoming 1. Yes. Now, 1 minus 1, it will be 0. Up to 10's place clear. So, now, look, it is 6, it is 0. Just 6 will be there. Because if we subtract 0 from a number, then that number will be itself. Okay. Because if we start counting after 0, then it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nah, 6 places. So 6 will be there. Okay. Look again, I am zooming in. 1 done. Okay, now let me move for number 2 and 3. Number 2, let me explain. Look at this. It is 5. So at first we have to make this larger because here is 6. Now we cannot subtract this 6 from this lesser number. So we have to make it larger. It will be already 5 is there. So we are writing 5 and we have to borrow 110 from this 3. So it will become 15. Okay. Now as we have borrowed, so this 3 will be becoming 2. Bas, done. Now the normal subtraction. Start counting after 6 till 15. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Now just do it yourself. I think you can do it. Acha, I have got muted for some seconds. I don't know why. Just wait. Let me share it again. Huh? Maybe due to network issue. Okay, now I think all of you are able to see this. Acha, write it on the copy. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least up to this 6, okay? Not 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This 6 question. Don't worry, I'll explain each and every question. Huh? I'll explain each and every question. Already 1, 2 I explained. I was waiting that, Acha, you have done 1, 2. Now let me explain third one, okay? Look, this is 0. I am writing the question over there. Huh? Third one, it is 480 and it is 185. Okay, this is 0. So 0 will be as it is and we have to borrow 1. So it will be larger number. It will become 10. As we have borrowed 1, so this 8 will becoming 7. Now we can easily subtract this one. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it will be 5. Okay, this one done. This ones place done, right? Now tens place. Look, again it has becoming small. 7 is smaller number now. So again we have to make this 17. From where we will borrow? From this 4. So this 4 will becoming 3. This one is clear. Now you can easily count. After 8, start to count till 17. Then after 1, start counting till 3. Okay, this one is in number 3. Okay. Now just let me check all of you are writing or not. Acha, Shreyam Dolu is writing. Ishan, I can't see you, beta. Ah, yes. Understood, though? Good. Acha, Aratrika and Aditya, keep your camera on, huh, beta? Keep your camera on. 3 students are there who are not turning on their camera. Aratrika, Aditya and Ankush. Okay, now let me explain the fourth one, okay? Look, I am writing the fourth one over there. It is 225 minus 116. Look at this. 5 is less than this 6. Look at this. 5 is less than this 6. So we have to make it larger. It will become 15. How? We have to borrow this 1 from this 2. So it will be 1 less will be there. It will become a 1. Okay. Now just normal subtraction. Start counting from 6 up to 15. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 9 place. I have put 9 here over there. Okay. Next, 1 minus 1, this will be what? 0, no? This one very much easy. Now after 1, start counting till this 2. So it will become a 1. Only one place. So the answer is 109. It is already done over there. Look. Fourth one is clear. Now I am not going to explain fifth one and sixth one. Okay. Next I will explain 7, 8 and 9. Okay. Okay. Up to 4 already I explained. Fifth one and sixth one you have to do it yourself. I am just covering the answers. Don't worry, I'll show you the answer. But after 3 minutes. Okay. At first solve this then. Okay. Acha, now just solve it within 3 minutes. This 5 and this 6. Within 3 minutes. Okay. After that, I'll explain 7, 8 and 9. I am giving you 3 minutes. Those who have completed, they can show me their copy in front of the camera. Shuprit, where are you? I cannot see you. Acha, Devattam completed. Very good. Any other student? Acha, no one. Okay, I'm waiting for 3 minutes. No issue. Acha, no need to raise your hand as I can see all of you. Okay, so you can just show me your copy in front of the camera. Just yes, Rishit. Basically, your copy is very much hazy. Okay, just little bit close. Yes, yes. Okay. Acha, any other student who have done? Shanvi. Okay, good, beta. Acha, I don't know due to network issue or not. Few students are not turning on your camera. Okay, keep your camera on. Otherwise, I have to inform this to the school. Keep your camera on. Okay. 1 minute is left for 5 and 6. Let me wait for 1 more minute. Then I'll explain 7, 8 and 9. Acha, okay. 3 minutes done. Now, let me show you the answers. Check your answer, okay? 5 and 6. Check your answer. 5 and 6. Acha, number 7, look at this. I have not done. Why? Because look at the first question. That borrowing subtraction you have given heading now. That question is only this one. Look, 942 and minus 563. Already I explained. When I explained that borrowing subtraction of 3-digit number, look, all of you can check your copy. This question was there. So you can easily do it yourself. Okay. You have to do it yourself, but not now. Okay. At first complete 8 and 9. Then you have to do it in home. Okay. Or if I get any time in this period, then after completing 8 and 9, then okay. Now let me explain 8 and 9. Look at this. First number 8 to 1. All of you are able to see the screen. Okay. Just look at this. It is 3 less than this 4. So what to do? We have to make it large, right? Larger. So we have to make it larger. It will becoming 13. Yes. And how 13? We have to borrow 1 from this 4. Basically from 4 tens, we are borrowing 1 10. And I told you for no need to remember this one. Okay, just from 4, we are borrowing 1. Okay. Now just look at this. Achha. So as we borrowed 1 from this 4, so this 4 will be becoming what? 3 definitely. So it will be becoming 3. Look, we have written 3 over there. Okay, now normal subtraction. 1 by 1. First ones place. Look, after 4, start to count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, 9 place. So I have written over there 9. Okay, already it is written, so I am not writing again. Achha, now 2, you have to count till 3. Right? After 2. So only one place now. After 2, if we start counting 3, only one place. So 1 is there. Okay. Now after 2, count till, start counting till 5. After 2, okay, not, you will not include this 2, okay, not 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be wrong, huh? Already 2 is over there, so it will get minus, okay. We have to count after 2. So 3, 4, 5. How many places? 3 places. So it is 3. Okay. Is it clear? Now let me clear it. 8 and 9 is over there. Now you can easily understand number 9. Number 9, it is given 644. I am writing over there, huh? And 325. Look, this 4 will be becoming, as it is less than this 5, so it will be becoming 14. How? 1, we have borrowed this 4 from this 4. So this 4 will be becoming 3. Bas, done. Now start to count. Okay. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, I think you can do it yourself. Next one, it will be 3, right? 390. Okay, I'm clearing it. All of you completed. Let me wait for 2 more minutes. After that, I'll check each and everyone's copy. Okay? Okay, Devi, done. Devi? Yes, ma'am. Yes, Devattom, I know. Yes, you have done. Acha, now those who have done, raise your hand. Send me that hand sticker. Devattom, you want to talk to me? Acha, okay, beta, I'm coming.